Hello. Welcome to our English class. Today, we start with simple words. Let's begin with greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. Thank you. Please. Yes. No. Great. Remember, we use these words every day to talk to people. Now, let's learn how to introduce ourselves. Listen and repeat. My name is Shannon. What is your name? Nice to meet you. You can use these phrases to tell someone your name and ask theirs. Numbers lesson. Numbers are very important. Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Try to remember these numbers. We use them for many things like time, money, and shopping. Common questions and answers. Understanding some common questions can be very helpful. Let's practice. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Where is the bathroom? How much does this cost? Can you help me? These questions are useful in everyday situations. Basic grammar. Let's learn some simple grammar. In English, we have subjects like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We use these words to tell who is doing something. For example, I am a student. You are a teacher. He is a doctor. We'll learn more about this in our next lesson. Everyday vocabulary. Today, let's learn some common words you'll use daily. Repeat after me. Family, friend, food, water, home, school, work, store, street. These words will help you talk about everyday things. Simple sentences. Instructor, now, let's make simple sentences. I will say a sentence, and you repeat after me. I have a book. She has a cat. We go to school. They like to eat pizza. He is reading a newspaper. These sentences use verbs like have, go, like, and is. We'll practice more verbs later. Describing things. Describing things is important. Let's learn some adjectives. Repeat after me. Big, small, fast, slow, hot, cold, new, old, good, bad. Now, let's use them in sentences. The big dog runs fast. She has a small phone. This food is very hot. Good job. Descriptive words make our sentences more interesting. Days of the week and time. Knowing the days of the week and how to tell time is useful. First, the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. For time, let's start with o'clock. 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Basic conversation practice. Let's put what we've learned into a simple conversation. I'll be person A, and you'll be person B. Person A, hello, how are you? Person B, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Person A, I'm good, thank you. What is your name? Person B, my name is Angel. What do you like to do? Person A, I like to read books. Do you go to school? Person B, yes, I go to school on weekdays. Great. Practicing conversations like this will help you improve. You're making excellent progress. Keep practicing these words, sentences, and conversations. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. See you next time for more learning. Did you enjoy this video? If so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.